Oh dear kids, welcome to Daniel Other Cartoon for Kids. Today we are going to meet some amazing animals. So let's start the video. Before start our video, do like, share and subscribe Daniel Other Cartoon for Kids. So let's go. Sun is rises over a beautiful green meadow. Bhuri is a gentle cow chewing a grass peacefully. Golu is a little goat hopping around and nibbles on some leaves. Tamu is a cheerful duck paddles near the pond, quacking happily. Bhuri, good morning friends. What a lovely day. Gullu, good morning Bhuri. I'm feeling full of energy today. Let's have some fun. Damu, quack quack. I think it's a perfect day for a little adventure. So what do you think, fella? Do we go anywhere? The friends decide to explore a new path they were never seen before. The path is lined with the tall trees and the air smells fresh with the fresh flowers. As they walked deeper into the forest, they came across a sparkling river. Puri, oh look, a river, how beautiful it is. Gullu, I wonder where it leads. Let's follow it. Damu, quack quack. Oh, I bet I will find something amazing. Let's go. Walk along the river. They reached a big rock blocking their way. The rock is too big for Gullu to jump over to, high for Bhuri to climb, and too sleepy for Damu to the waddle around. Gullu, oh no, how do we get this past this Bhuri? We need to think carefully. We can get give up. Damu, let's work together. I have an idea. Damu waddles into the water and finds a small tree branch. The friends work together to build a bridge over the rock. With the teamwork, they all cross safely. Bhuri, yay, we did it. Together we can overcome any obstacle. Gullu, that was what? I'm glad we worked together. Damu, quack. The teamwork makes everything easier. Side of the river, the friends discover a hidden treasure chest buried under some leaves. They open it to find shining golden apple. Bhuri says, wow, golden apple. I've never seen anything like them. Gullu, let's share them. They will taste amazing. Damu, quack. I think we have found the best treasure of all friendship. They sit together and eat the golden apple and laughing. It's the best day ever in my life. Start getting down. The three friends returning home, tired but happy. They learned the value of the teamwork, kindness and sharing. Bhuri says, what a wonderful adventure. We didn't just find a treasure. We found each other. Gullu, I agree. Friends are the real treasure. Damu, quack. Every day with a friend is a treasure. They say good night, knowing that more adventure await them in the days come. And they will sleep in their home. So kids, true friendship meanings work together, sharing and supporting each other through every challenge. I hope this story brings a smile to kids and teaches them the value of friendship, teamwork, kindness. Would you like more stories? So do like, share, subscribe. Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. We will meet you in the next exciting story video. Until goodbye.